3 techniques to help you stop worrying about your future at work. Everyday jobs are offered. Everyday jobs are also ended. It happens. However, if you're spending your days working your fingers to the bone out of fear and your evenings staring at the ceiling thinking about downsizing, then it is time to face the facts and start working toward a comfortable what if. The techniques below will give you jumping off points, places to start exploring what you really want and need out of a job and your work so that you can build the career you want without worrying. 1. Learn about your industry. Don't just rely on the rumor mill to educate you. Take an active role in learning about the industry you work in. Educating yourself will give you power. Honestly, it will. You'll no longer have to hang on the words of other worriers who fear a closed business every Monday. You'll feel knowledgeable and capable of making professional decisions about your job or future jobs that will benefit you. 2. Think about pivoting. You don't have to change careers entirely, but consider what it would be like to move to a new position. This could be an upward or lateral move. The more you think about these changes, the more comfortable you'll become, and a job change won't seem so scary. You can also refer to point number 1 and learn about other areas of your field you might be interested in. Sometimes the things that scare us most are the things we consider the best things that could have happened to us later. 3. Make a plan. Plans change, so use the new knowledge and comfort you're finding to create a plan for yourself that can change with the times, the economy, and your own personal growth over time. Think about where you want to end up and how you might want to get there. Maybe your plan involves going back to school or learning new skills that'll make you more marketable. No matter what it is, start building a plan that you can return to when things do get shaken up. On average, a person spends 40% of their life at work. That's almost half of your living days on this planet. You do not want that 40% to be filled with fear and worry about things changing. Instead, take time now to make yourself more comfortable and prepared for the challenges that lay ahead. As we all know, the only constant is change.